The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is generating a lot of buzz, starting with a 10-second leaked video that gave us our first glimpse of the device, followed by some detailed images. But that's just the beginning. There are plenty more leaks and updates to share. In this video, we'll break down everything shown in the leaked video and images, and all the other exciting updates and rumors surrounding this highly anticipated flagship. The excitement started when a Reddit user, Gaming MK, shared a brief 10-second clip showcasing what seemed to be a next-generation device. While the original caption suggested it was the S24 Ultra, tipster Ice Universe quickly clarified that the device in question was actually the much-anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This clip gave us a first look at a sleek and flat design with slightly rounded corners. The power button and volume rocker were positioned on the right side frame, while the back revealed a classic Samsung camera arrangement. Building on the buzz from the video, more leaks surfaced, providing additional glimpses of the device. These new images, jointly shared by the same Reddit user and Android authority, showed the bottom section of the phone. The USB-C port was flanked by an S Pen slot on the left, along with a speaker, microphone, and SIM card slot. Another image focused on the corner bezel, revealing thin and uniform edges that added to the device's premium look. One of the most intriguing photos showed the phone charging with the One UI 7 updated notification interface, giving us a sneak peek at the software experience. Speaking of One UI 7, screenshots accompanying the images offered a closer look at the Android 15-based interface. The notification shade appeared to be split into two panels, one for notifications and the other for system controls. The app drawer featured refreshed icons and a redesigned battery indicator in the top right corner, hinting at significant changes to the user interface. Hardware details have also been coming in steadily. Reports confirmed the model code as SMS938B, with the device scoring 2,627 and 9,404 points on Geekbench 6, single, and multi-core tests, respectively. On the performance front, the device is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, which is being built on a new 3nm process. This could translate into better energy efficiency and incredible performance. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, it's set to handle anything you throw at it effortlessly. The display is rumored to be a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, offering stunning visuals. According to the recent leaks, there are whispers about the cameras. The front camera boasts a 12-megapixel sensor, while the rear setup includes a remarkable quad-camera system. A 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The 200-megapixel main sensor, enhanced by advanced AI image processing, is expected to deliver exceptional detail. Meanwhile, the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses are rumored to provide superior clarity and vibrant color accuracy. A recent leak from Ice Universe highlights a key design improvement in the upcoming S25 Ultra, its rounded corner screen. Unlike the right-angle design seen in previous models, the rounded corners maintain a consistent R angle during animations, creating a smoother and more seamless visual experience. In contrast, right-angle screens face changes in the R angle, adding complexity and disrupting animation consistency. This design enhancement ensures that the animations on the S25 Ultra will be more refined and polished compared to its predecessor. Other features include an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, stereo speakers, and a 5,000 mAh battery. Charging capabilities are equally noteworthy, with support for 45-watt wired fast charging and 15-watt wireless fast charging. There's also talk of enhanced satellite connectivity. It's expected to bring two-way communication that could prove helpful in emergencies. Wi-Fi 7 support and improved Bluetooth are also anticipated to elevate connectivity standards. While some of the leaks focused on improvements, rumors of cost-cutting measures in the display technology for certain models have also surfaced. However, this may not apply to the flagship version. On the pricing front, it's been suggested that the bill of materials is at least $110 higher than its predecessor, which could translate to a price hike in many regions, although prices in China might remain stable due to intense market competition. The starting price is rumored to be around $1,299, but depending on configurations, it could go higher. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech news.